Hey guys, today I'm excited to bring you a review of something that makes it significantly easier to water your lawn, the new Aiper IrriSense 2 automatic smart irrigation system. So watering your lawn can be necessary sometimes, but man, can it be tedious. Standing in the yard with a hose, trying to spray everything evenly, takes a lot of time and honestly wastes a decent amount of water. Well, the IrriSense 2 completely changes that. It's essentially a 4-in-1 multi-zone smart irrigation system that combines an irrigation controller with a rotor sprinkler, electrical valve, and nutrient feeder. And it's surprisingly easy to set up. It comes well packaged, and this is everything that's included. You have the device itself, a manual, nice long power cable, stakes, and an alternate nozzle. You can see the connectors here for the power and for the hose. It does just connect to a normal hose. I actually just replaced my hose because it had a leak, and this is something that you leave on all the time, so you definitely don't want to have a leak. So if you need to replace your hose, I'll post a link in the description to one that I got that was very highly rated. It's been working great, and it's pretty inexpensive. Now you want to find a flat section to place it. I'm putting mine at the corner of our flower bed in my front here. The stakes just screw it into the dirt. And there we go. Now I mentioned a different nozzle. If you don't have the highest water flow like me, you can swap out the nozzle for more of a jet nozzle to get more range. It's very easy to change it. The cap pops off, then there are a couple screws to remove the old one and install the new nozzle, and then you're all set. Next up, you'll want to get it paired with the app. You just download the Aiper app, and then it's very easy to pair it. And once it's paired, you can update the firmware. There's a lot of different settings you can adjust, and then you can create a map. Now, creating a map is very easy. You basically use it around the perimeter of the area you're looking to water, and it will set it up to water all inside that area. You can also create a map for flower bed irrigation as well that's more direct point to point. And again, it's very easy to create the map. So how well does it water your lawn? It actually does a lot better than I expected. It sprays evenly and actually pretty far across my lawn, about 30 to 40 feet or so, plenty for my front yard here. It goes right around the edge and is very precise. Basically, the way it works, it adjusts the level of water flow, and the top portion of the IrriSense 2 rotates to spray it in the mapped location. And like I said, it works really well, spraying the entire lawn using its even rain technology to make sure everything's watered evenly, just like rainfall. You can monitor it in the app too. It shows you where it's spraying, its current progress, usage time, that sort of thing. And since it's smart and automatic, you can set up schedules in the app too. Here you can see I have it set to do my front yard every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and do about an inch of watering, and then do my flower bed shortly after it on the same days. It's been working consistently with no issues, and it notifies me when it's doing it. It's pretty cool. And it does have a built-in rain sensor too, so it'll automatically stop watering if it's raining outside. Now you can create up to 10 unique maps for different zones, plants, gardens. It's highly configurable, and it's honestly really convenient. And it can help you save water as well. It is TUV certified for pressure stability for efficient, consistent watering that can really help you save water compared to traditional sprinklers or just using a hose and an attachment. But yeah, honestly, I've been very impressed with the IrriSense 2 from Aiper. I've been using it for a few weeks and I've had no issues with it at all. It's nice to be able to look out the window and see it doing its thing, watering the lawn, and not really having to do anything on my end. It's really convenient and it's not expensive either. I'll post a link in the description, but normally it's $500, but it's currently on sale for $400 on their website and on Amazon. Personally, I think that's a very fair amount for a smart irrigation system that installs in less than 15 minutes and works really well. Let me know what you guys think though, and let me know if you have any questions about the Aiper IrriSense 2. And as always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. It really helps me out, hype the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. I have a lot on the way. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.